Plasma cutters have revolutionized metal fabrication and construction industries, offering precision, speed, and versatility in cutting through various metals. In the world of metalworking, finding the best plasma cutter is essential to ensure efficiency and quality. These cutting-edge tools have become indispensable for professionals and enthusiasts alike, as they make intricate and accurate cuts with ease. In this guide, we will explore some of the top plasma cutters available in the market, highlighting their features, capabilities, and the factors that make them stand out in the world of metal cutting. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best plasma cutters available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the plasma cutters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the plasma cutters mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. ANDELI Plasma Cutting Machine. The ANDELI Plasma Cutting Machine Cut 50D/Cut 50DS is a powerhouse of precision and versatility in metal cutting. With a DC output range of 15-50A, it effortlessly achieves clean cuts of up to 1/2 inch thickness, with a maximum capacity of 3/4 when operating at 220V. This plasma cutter boasts the flexibility of being compatible with both 110V and 220V power sources, thanks to a provided plug converter, and is equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology for precise control and strong current output. Its non-contact pilot arc technology ensures minimal slag production, making it effective on rough, rusty, or painted surfaces. The full package kit includes a low-frequency start plasma cutter, plasma cutter torch, gas pipe, hose hoops, electrodes, nozzle shields, hose barbs, and an oil-water separator. With CE certification and a responsive customer service team, ANDELI offers peace of mind, backed by a 2-year warranty and free replacement parts for this remarkable cutting tool. Number 4. CNC Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut Cut 55X CNC Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter is a remarkable addition to your metalworking arsenal. Developed by HeroCut, this cutting machine offers non-HF pilot arc technology and is powered by a compact yet efficient IGBT-based digital controller. Its portability is unmatched, and it's one of the most portable single-phase inverter cutting machines available. The machine features quality torch fixed safety plasma central plug, allowing for quick and secure torch and ground clamp connections. With 2T/4T function and air checks, it's user-friendly, and the display shows cutting amps for precise adjustments. This versatile cutter can handle a cutting thickness of 3/4 at 75 psi and can reach up to 1 for short runs. With accessories like the IPT60 non-HF pilot arc torch, earth clamp, and air hose, it's ready for action. The HeroCut Cut 55X is a reliable, high-performance CNC plasma cutter suitable for various metal cutting tasks. Number 3. HZXVOGEN Plasma Cutter. The HZXVOGEN HVC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter is a versatile and highly efficient cutting machine, featuring a built-in air compressor for convenience. With a broad range of cutting capabilities, it can effortlessly cut through stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and various other metal materials. Thanks to its IGBT inverter technology and non-touch pilot arc cutting process, it ensures excellent arc stability and a clean finish. The machine also incorporates advanced safety features, including overcurrent protection and temperature control, ensuring safe and professional operation. With a 40 amp DC output, it can handle materials ranging from 0.3" for clean cuts to 0.6 for maximum severance cuts under 220V. The integrated air compressor not only saves you from carrying an additional compressor but also contributes to cost efficiency. This plasma cutter is an ideal choice for installation engineering, construction processing, auto repair, and advertising applications, providing a reliable and effortless cutting experience. Number 2. Plasmargon CNC Plasma Cutter. The Plasmargon Plasma Cutter 4-in-1 welding machine 520 TSCP is a versatile and efficient welding and cutting solution designed to meet various needs. With its 4-in-1 functionality, it provides cutting, TIG welding, MMA welding, and pulse capabilities, making it a valuable tool for craft production, home use, and small factories. Equipped with Pilot Arc technology, it efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces while minimizing slag production, extending consumable life. The machine can handle a maximum cutting thickness of 3/4 inch, ensuring faster cutting speeds, reduced noise, and smooth cutting surfaces. Its TIG and MMA welding functions deliver high-quality welding on various materials, including stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, and copper. The addition of a pedal function allows for hands-free operation, making welding tasks more manageable. The Plasmargon Plasma Cutter 520 TSCP is a reliable and versatile solution for a wide range of welding and cutting applications. Number 1. HITBOX 55 amp Plasma Cutter. The HITBOX HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter is a powerful and efficient cutting machine that's perfect for a wide range of applications. With its upgraded 55A automatic output and 60% duty cycle on 230V, it's capable of cleanly cutting through carbon steel with a maximum thickness of 1/2 inch and breaking thickness of 3/5 inch, 21 mm. The use of switching power inverter technology not only makes it stable and energy efficient but also reduces the size and weight of the main transformer. This, along with its compact design and handle for portability, makes it ideal for home DIY projects, general repair work, and workshops. It can cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron, and more. The machine's solid construction ensures reliability and longevity, and it comes with electrical circuit protection for added safety. HITBOX provides excellent after-sales service, ensuring your peace of mind with this versatile and efficient cutting tool. In the realm of metalworking and fabrication, plasma cutters have emerged as indispensable tools for their precision, efficiency, and versatility. The best plasma cutters are defined by their ability to make clean, precise cuts in a variety of metals, from steel to aluminum. The choice ultimately depends on the specific needs of the user, whether it be for industrial, professional, or hobbyist applications. The right plasma cutter can significantly enhance cutting quality, speed, and productivity, making it a valuable asset for anyone working with metal.